Today, I'm going to show you around the Skill Builder Lite. This is a simpler and much more manual version of the Skill Builder OS, but equally as powerful. When you first download your template, this is where you will land, your homepage. Here, you will see your dashboards, like Skills Dashboard, the Practice Hub, the notes and resources, and we will dive deeper into this in a minute, as well as your knowledge, where you can take a look under the hood of how this template works by looking at the databases, and your archive, where you are going to be able to see all the skills that you have archived over time and be able to bring them back if you want to. First, let's go to the Skills Dashboard. Here, you will find a more in-depth overview of your skills. You have an inbox where you can add all the skills that you want to learn in the future. You have a skills overview when you can see all the skills that you are currently working on, the ones that are on hold and the ones that you have not started. You have a skills progress where you can see a percentage view of how far along are you in any given skill, a timeline of the weekly view where you can see what skills you are currently working on and if they overlap, and finally a tasks overview where you can see your to-do and your completed tasks. Let's go back to the home. Now, if we go to the Practice Hub, this is where I think you're going to spend most of your time. This is the place where you're going to start new practice sessions. Here, you have a view of your today's tasks, the tasks that are overdue, that are due tomorrow, and that are due for the next 7 days. Under today's tasks, you will find your practice sessions. This is where you will find all the sessions that you have started today and where you can start new practice sessions. Let's start one. You can click the new button here. Let's name this session 22/11/24, which is today's date. And here you just basically choose the skill that you are going to practice today, and boom. This is designed for you to focus on what's really important, which is learning skills faster, so that you don't have to spend time setting up Notion. Here you just need to set up your focus for today, add notes and observations, and get studying. Once you're done, just come back here, add how many hours you studied today, and boom, you're ready to go. Once you exit here, you will see your practice session in the menu right here. Additionally, you have a weekly view of all of your tasks that you can move around if you want to. And very similarly, you have the unscheduled tasks and the completed tasks, as well as a calendar view. You can move tasks from the calendar into unscheduled and back to the calendar at any time. Let's go back to the Skill Builder Lite home. Next, we have the notes. This is very self-explanatory, but here you will be able to find the notes that you have taken today, the notes that you took this week, as well as an overview of all of your notes, sorted by notes, ideas, reflections, reviews, and you can add more views to this. And finally, we have the Resources tab. Here, you will find all of the resources that you have captured for any given skill. I recommend you use the Save to Notion Chrome extension so that you can add any resources here easily and smoothly. You can see the resources that you have added today, the resources that you have added this week, and finally, an all resources view, where you're going to be able to see all the articles, videos, podcasts, tweets, websites, and apps that you have captured. You can add more options to this and more views to this. That's about it. Please let me know what you think. I really hope this helps, and please do not hesitate if you have any feedback or suggestions. Bye.